Hey guys, welcome back to the emngee channel. I'm Monday and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys. I ordered an art kit about a week ago online. So my sister has two sisters on her dad's side, and one of her sisters, Sabrina, she has her own company. She draws pictures, she paints pictures, portraits for people to buy online. She's really artistic. So is my sister too, so I think it's kind of in the genes. So she's really talented. She draws these beautiful drawings, these beautiful paintings, and recently she made these art kits. So they came with
like I think a canvas or two, a certain amount of paints, like different paint colors, I think 3 things of brushes, and then it comes with a design that she already drew. You just kind of like paint in the colors that you want.
And she already had like the original drawings that she sells on her website, but these are just mini art kits that are really affordable, really fun. I'm just gonna do the unboxing for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna put her information on the screen, and also I'm gonna put her information in the description box. This kit is really affordable. It's $25 for the whole thing. It's definitely a great price, and I'm always up for, you know, supporting people that I know, and everything like that. So yeah, we're gonna get into the unboxing. So I received this box here, and it has Fragile on it. So what I found out was when I went downstairs, look at this big hole. I don't know who did this, but I don't know if it was like the people that I live with downstairs, or if it was the mailman or woman that delivered it. They're just like not careful, and it literally says Fragile, and there's like a humongous hole in this box, which is crazy. So anywho, I'm gonna unbox them for you. I'm just going to open up the box like so. I have a little knife here, so I'm just gonna kind of cut through. Well, actually, I don't think I need to cut through, or maybe I do. But I was so excited to unbox this for you guys. I couldn't wait, and I was really excited because this is my first time purchasing anything from her website. So, and she has really nice things. Like I said, I'm going to put everything on the screen if I haven't already, and show you what her website's all about. And she's really talented, guys. So definitely go follow her on Instagram. Go look at her website, see if there's anything that you like. Alright, so this is what's in the box. I'm just going to take it out. So it looks like this. Alright, so it's in some bubble wrap. Thank goodness for that. So I'm just going to open that bubble wrap. Like so.
Alright. This is like so satisfying. Like, I used to always do that when I was my mom used to get so annoyed. Sabrina, good with the what is this called again? Bubble wrap for sure.
And look at this packaging, guys. You know, I am such a sucker for really nice, cute, professional packaging. I really am. So this is how it looks like. So I think these are the canvases. There's 2 of them. Oh, there's 2. Look at that. I thought there was just 1. Look at that. There's 2 canvases that comes with it. And it looks like this. It has a little ribbon, little bow. Her name is Sabrina, like I said before. So her shop name is Bree's Art Shop. So I'm just going to undo this like so. Okay, this is so cute. Shout out to Sabrina because this is really cute. I love it. Alright, so I'm just going to put this to the side. I'm just going to show you the canvas that she has. So there was different options of canvases you can choose. Like they had like certain names to them, and I ended up choosing this one. I forgot what it's called, but I'll put it on the screen. And it looks like this. So this is a woman and like her afro, and this is like trees. I think it's called like Remember. I don't know. It'll be on the screen, but this is how it looks like. And she gave me 2 of them. It's like, I don't know the size, but this is how it looks like. Really nice. And I got 2 of them. I actually thought I was gonna get 1 because but look at that, even better. So I get 2. So I can always do it with like another person or something, or I could just do 2 myself. And this is the box. It says Breeze Art Shop on there. Really, really nice, colorful. Love the packaging. Like I said before. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, so it literally has my name on here. How cute. How cute. And this is how it looks like when I open the box. Look at that. Alright, so I'm just going to take the first thing on here, which is her card. Ooh, that's really cute. It has Breeze Art Shop on here, and it has her information, her email, her Instagram, and website. Then it has a thank you note here. This is really cute. I love this little, it looks like a mixture of like glittery like nail polish or something. And it just says thank you on it, and it says thank you for your purchase. Hope you enjoy. I hope to see you soon, Sabrina. This is really cute. Good job. This is really, really cute. Okay, so the next thing I see here is this. So it comes with, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, it does come with this thing. So it's one of these, so you can like dip your paint in here, and it has 3 different size brushes, these 3, and it's so nicely ribboned like so. So that's what comes with it. And it comes, this is so cute. It looks like a little Easter basket. So it comes like with these little things in the bottom just for decoration. And these are actually bigger than I thought. I thought they were a bit smaller when I saw them online, but these are actually fairly large. So it comes with a paint, and it just says like the color on it. So this is yellow, and it comes in this big thing. And I think it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colors, guys. So there's yellow, there's white, there's brown,
there's purple, there's black, like so, pink, blue, really pretty blue, guys, blue, orange, and last one is red.
Really nice. And I think the time that I ordered it, or maybe it's always, but I don't know, she ended up adding in a thing of glitter. I was pretty excited about that. This is like a bonus thing that you get. So this big thing filled with gold glitter. Who doesn't like glitter? I don't know who doesn't, but I love glitter. So this is definitely cool. And that's pretty much what's in the box. That is my unboxing. I am really excited to see how my painting comes out, and I'll definitely show you guys how my little arts and crafts came out, because I love doing arts and crafts. So definitely go check out her website, go check out her Instagram, follow her on Instagram, see what you like. Definitely support her. She's a young adult, she got her own business. Kudos to you. So this is how my art turned out. Isn't it pretty? I tried to add a little bit of everything in there. And go check out all the different canvases that she has, because this isn't the only one. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Go subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video, and put that bell on so you can get notifications when we do upload videos, because we don't actually have like a specific schedule. We just kind of spur of the moment, just kind of put videos out. But for sure, new videos coming soon, entertaining videos coming soon, informative videos coming soon. And yeah, so go subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out Sabrina's page. Okay guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching.